Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to connect Wi-Fi on PC or laptop. So it's pretty easy to do that. So what you need to do, you find the sort of sign. If you hover on it, you will see not connected components or connections are available. So you can just navigate from here, just right click on it, just left click on it, and then go to your available a Wi-Fi connection and then click on connect. In here, you have to give your security key or password, your Wi-Fi password. So I'm currently giving my one. So once you are done, click on next and it will verify your connection and it will connect with your Wi-Fi connection. So yeah, once it is connected, you'll see this sign in here that will say that to say your internet name and it has internet access. So yeah, this is how you can just connect your PC or laptop with Wi-Fi. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.